only are you just creating something and designing it, you're also actually doing the work to put it together. You're soldering it, you're polishing it yourself, you're cutting out every piece and then making sure that things fit together perfectly. It's very much a skill where it is focused on precision.
The industry is looking for more well-rounded students that can do a lot more things, not just work at the bench. We have a lot of students who graduate and then find they have to do social media, do some retail aspects, and so that's why we incorporated those things into the program. CAD designing is very big as well, and we have students that just do CAD design when they get out, and so they need to know all these different skills to be able to succeed.
When I first came here, this is a skill that I was completely alien to, and my confidence wasn't very high. Of course, I'd never done it before, and the first time that I made something that not only an instructor said was good, other people liked, or even purchased some of my stuff, that makes you feel pretty good and feel like, yeah, you can do this.